weird. We only got one turkey down here today. Last week there was like probably 20 females and one big old tom. Maybe a tom guy. I don't know. I don't know how turkeys work. I'm not a turkey. See if he stays there when I drive by. Probably not. I can't zoom out by one hand. Only animal on the planet that'll drown himself looking up to see what's fucking in the rain. I don't even know. Oh, there he is. How the hell could nobody catch that thing? Well, I guess not that kind of sea. It was like right there. See ya. Anyway, that's my turkey adventure for the day. Hope you enjoyed.